Hi guys, how is everybody today? This is Patty and I am about to make a green smoothie. Now I have already put my stuff in the bottle here. I have spinach, a handful of frozen turnips, some cucumbers, and a handful of frozen kale. And as you can see, I have some mangoes chopped up and some peaches. And I would have put some almonds in here, but I didn't have any almonds, so not worried about it. And I put some juice in there, and this is 100% pomegranate juice, 100%. And here it is. And as you can see here, these are my cucumbers, mangoes, and peaches. I'll make more than one. This is just a small, I didn't put it in the blender. I'm just using this small little, it's not a magic bullet, but it's kind of like the magic bullet. So I am going to put it in here and see if I can get it started. Shake it a little so you can see it's looking green. And let me put it back. Stop the noise. Okay guys, I don't want to keep making the noise in your ear, so I am going to finish this and then I will come back. Okay, I'm back, and these are the green smoothies that I made, and I have two of them here. And I am going to pour one in this container and drink it. And when I get it in this container, I will come back and drink it and tell you what it tastes like. But these are the green smoothies. And guys, you can make your smoothies however you want. You can put in it what you want. As I said, I put a handful of kale, a handful of turnips, and these are all frozen. And I had some fresh spinach that I put in. I put in some cucumber and some mango, one mango, and I put in a peach, and these were fresh. And I used the 100% pomegranate. If I had had bananas, I would have probably put a half banana in it, and almonds if I had almonds, but I didn't have those. So here it is. And I am going to bring you back when I pour one bottle in here to drink, and then I'll put the other in the fridge for later. But I'll be right back. Okay guys, here is what I poured in this container. It doesn't look so green because it's in this pink bottle, but this is where I poured it from. And I don't have any smoothie straws. I had some, but I don't have any more. So I have this straw here, and I am going to take a sip of it. Not bad at all. I'm going to drink all of this. I don't know how many ounces this is, but I'm going to drink all of this, and it is what I emptied here from this container. And this one I will put in the fridge. So let me take another sip. Not bad at all. And I am going to drink all of this. And just want you guys to see what I'm doing here with the green smoothie. So I will come back and, well, probably won't come back in this video because I've told you what it's tasting like. Let me take another sip before I leave you. I'm going to drink all of this. I've got about this much left. So, not bad at all. And it's so healthy. So guys, this is Patty, Patty's Southern Kitchen and More. Thank you so much for watching, making comments. Do you make green smoothies? I remember when my sister was ill, before she passed away, we always made her green smoothies. And most of the time we would use alkaline water with hers. And believe it or not, the tumors that she had really did get smaller after she got on this, this green smoothie drink that we were fixing her every day for 3 times a day. It really helps. And I have been making green smoothies for a long time, and they're not bad. As I said, I use alkaline water sometime. If I have 100% apple juice, I'll use that, or the pomegranate, 100% pomegranate juice is what I use today. So here it is, guys. And please like, give me that thumbs up, make comments, and ring the bell. And I will talk to you on the next exciting video. Bye now.